Need to sum every nth value in a row or column? Maybe you're working with quarterly totals scattered across a wide range. Let me show you a quick trick to sum just those quarter values. Here, I've got some monthly data laid out across columns. Every fourth column contains a quarterly total. Instead of picking those one by one, we can automate it with a formula. I'll start by typing equals SUMPRODUCT. This function lets us work with arrays and apply logic. Then, I'll add the mod and column formula part. This part checks if a column is a multiple of 4, starting from our adjusted base. The column from C2 to N11-2 shifts the column positions so that Q1 in column F becomes our starting point for every fourth column. Then we multiply that by the actual data range, which is from C2 to N2. So only those quarterly totals get summed. Hit enter, and there you go. We've summed only the quarterly totals, skipping over all the monthly values. This trick works great for financial reports, performance dashboards, or any repeating summary columns. That's part 5 of our 500+ Excel tips and tricks series on the channel. If you're loving these quick wins, hit subscribe and stay tuned so that you don't miss a single one. And I'll see you in the next one.